Unlocking the phrase, "The floor is yours," a guide to polite English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard in meetings, speeches, or discussions. The floor is yours. Understanding this phrase is key to mastering polite and effective communication in English. So, let's explore its meaning, origins, and how to use it correctly. When someone says, "The floor is yours," they are essentially telling you that it's your turn to speak, present, or share your thoughts. It's a polite way of giving someone the attention and allowing them to take control of the conversation or presentation. This phrase is commonly used in formal settings like meetings, conferences, or public speaking events, but can also be found in casual discussions. The term, "the floor," refers to the space where someone stands to speak in front of a group, such as the floor of a parliament or a debate hall. Historically, having the floor meant it was your turn to speak without interruption. Over time, "the floor is yours" has become a courteous way to invite someone to express their ideas or opinions. Using "the floor is yours" is simple yet impactful. Here are a few tips. Formal settings. In meetings or seminars, use it to invite a colleague or guest speaker to begin their presentation. Group discussions. To encourage participation, use it to invite someone who's been quiet to share their thoughts. Public speaking. When hosting, use it to introduce the next speaker. It's a phrase that shows respect and gives authority to the speaker, making it an excellent tool for effective communication. To help you better understand how to use "the floor is yours," let's look at some examples. In a meeting, "Thank you for the update. And now, the floor is yours, Sarah. Please, share your insights on the project." In a classroom, "We've heard from several students already, but now, the floor is yours, Alex. What's your take on this?" In a webinar, "After my brief introduction, the floor is yours, Dr. Lee, to lead the discussion on today's topic." "The floor is yours" is more than just a phrase. It's a tool for respectful and engaging communication. Whether you're in a formal setting or a casual discussion, using this phrase can help you navigate conversations with grace and politeness. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel more confident using "the floor is yours" in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to practice using this phrase in your daily interactions.